Okay guys, this training is becoming interesting, more interesting as we proceed. Now I'm going to show you how to design and format ebooks using Canva. Okay, so let's say you want to write a book, or you have a book written that you want to publish and you are finding it difficult with the formatting and all of that. Okay, so simply, and also you can help businesses, individuals format and design their book at a fee. Okay, so it's a very lucrative business opportunity if you get this. All right, so just come to Canva and we'll show you the trick on how you can do that with your phone. Then after this lesson, I'll show you how to mock it up and use it to create 3D designs. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to search for ebook cover. Okay, if you scroll down you'll find the template, but just search for ebook cover to bring out all these templates. So let me choose this. All right, so after you have done all the design, and then you have designed your cover to what you like, okay, just follow the normal Canva designing processes. Let me just do some small editing here. Okay, Emmanuel, just use my name. All right, then I want to make this theme darker. Okay, just make it darker. All right, then here okay, let me just leave it like, not to spend too much time on this. So just create your design, then save this file. Okay, save it as a PNG file. Okay, so now that you have your cover ready, it's time to go over and design the main content. Okay, so what you want to do is to go back to the home page. All right, this is a very simple trick because there is actually no category for designing ebook on the app. Okay, it is on desktop but it's not on the app, so but you can use this strategy to do it. So you want to scroll down to probably the last. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down some more. I think it is the last stuff. You want to scroll down to later. Okay, all right, almost there. Where are you? Are we going up or are we going down? Okay, let me just search for later straight up. Let's not spend time. Okay, I'll just search for later. All right, so we have something like this. I think this should be, so it brings out different later templates for you. So what you can do here is to pick the design you want your book to have. Okay, you want to pick the design you want your book to have. So I think I like this one. All right, so there are different ways you can do this. So just pick any of the design you want. You can also edit every item on it. Okay, you can edit every item on it. So first I want to change this to one. Okay, so more like this will be the chapter 1. Then I can change it. I can just just put this as introduction. All right, so So once I have my introduction here, let me expand in so that I'll be able to reduce the font size. Okay, so we have something like this. Alright, so let's say this chapter 1 introduction. Then I'll probably edit this graphics design and video editing with phone mastery course. Alright, also expand this. Now this will be my page template basically. Alright, so by now you should have had your book content ready. Okay, so I'll go to my writer plus and then maybe copy some of my write-ups there. Okay, go to my writer plus. Alright, so I'll just use all of these. These are some of my articles. I'll copy them, copy this, copy this as well. Okay, then go down, copy this. Let's just say my ebook is going to have 5 pages. Alright, okay, this is not much, this is not what should be there. Okay, and copy this as well. So you should have had your content down, maybe on WPS or on Word, or I use Writer Plus for my writings basically. Then you come back here, you can now edit this text here. Okay, delete and then paste your first chapter. Okay, alright, okay, since the space is too much or maybe the content is too much for one page, so I'll delete this Mr. Williams here. Basically delete delete this sincerely, whatever. Okay, you know it's a later template we are using, so that's why. So I can drag this up. I can also shift this a bit. Okay, okay, let me just leave it there. Okay, then alright, maybe this is too much for one page. Okay, so what I'll just do is I can just select the part that is already out of this page, and then I'll cut it to the next page. Okay, I'm going to cut everything here to the next page. Here's my okay, this thing does not want to highlight. So I'll just cut. Okay, we see have it outside. Okay, we see have a lot there. Alright, still copy everything. Why is this selection? Okay, copy. No. Okay, just let me. Okay, cutting is proving stubborn, so what I'll just do, I'll just come here and copy bit by bit. Okay, I'll copy bit by bit. So after I've copied a bit of it, I'll come to Canva and then I'll add my text box myself. Okay, go to text, and then I'll add subheading. Okay, because I want it to be the body of my work, then I'll paste this segment. Okay. All right, the alignment, you want to see that it is justified. Then font size, I also reduce it a bit. All right. Okay, so I think we have something like this. All right, so you want to give more detailed attention to your own work. Okay, here I have to make it as short so that the videos will not be too long. Okay, now in writing a book, you want to ensure that you keep people's interest when they are reading. Okay, and you can achieve that through spacing. Okay, especially an ebook, people don't have the attention span to be reading a book that look too hectic and too much. Okay, that's the reason why this space in between is important. Okay, so now once you have done that, you want to duplicate this page, the page itself, you want to duplicate it. All right, okay, so to duplicate it, you just click on this page icon. To duplicate, just click on this page icon here, and then you want to duplicate this page. Okay, I would rather you duplicate instead of adding. Okay, if you click here, you add a blank page, but if you duplicate, you'll be having the same format, the same design. All you just have to do is to be changing the text. Okay, so I'll just duplicate depending on the number of pages you want your work to have. Okay, so let's say my own book is 5 pages, then I can go ahead and start editing it one after the other. Okay, so let's say this introduction, this chapter 2. Okay, add the title of the chapter 2. Okay, all right, so add the text, blah blah blah, then go to the next page. Okay, move on to the next page, click on change this to chapter 3. Okay, then change this text here. All right, so when you are done with this page, do all the editing you want to do, blah blah blah, you turn, and after editing all the pages, you have a very nice simple book here. Okay, then I forgot something, I didn't add the cover. Okay, so what you want to do is actually add a page. Okay, then you want to drag this page up. Let me drag this. So I'll drag this page up to use as my cover page. Okay, so up. Okay, so to take over was that. Okay, it's not working. I forgot to do that from the beginning, but it was supposed to be the first thing I should have done. Okay, like this first page does not want to move. All right, that's moved. So remember, we've designed the cover of our book already, so that's what we're going to use. So I can now import the cover of the image, upload image, so I'll look for the cover we did. So here it is, then pick it. Then add it to the work. Okay, so you want to see that maybe if you want it to cover the whole page, you can just drag it to cover everything we have here. All right, so if you have something like this, then you can change the background color. You can change the background color if you want to, but preferably you want to make the background color the same as the color of the work. Okay, so we have something like this. All right, so as simple as this, you have your book. You might want to add a table of content, any other thing you want to add, just add a new page and do whatever you want to do there, and then you save your file as a PDF file. Okay, you save it as a PDF. You see, it's even suggesting PDF for you already. So you save as PDF and then you download, and then your ebook is ready for whatever purpose you wrote it for. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson.